So you can see here, this is the make.com interface. So just click on the create a scenario. From this, you can create a scenario. Just click on this blue option, and after clicking, you can see here the plus icon here. I am just selecting the Gmail module. Just click on it, and now you can see here. Here is a lot of functions and many things, like you can send an email, reply to an email, and search email and get an email, and many more as well. So other big option is that you can make an API call as well. So I am giving you here a tip like how to identify a trigger in any modules. So you can see here, this is the option like blue acid. This means this is a trigger. If you see any blue option in front of anything like this one, you can see here watch email, and you see up here the acid. This means this is a trigger. Other one is the function. So we are using a trigger here like watch email. Just click on the create a connection button, and so you can name this connection as well. So I am just using my Google account. I am just clicking on it. You can see here I am signing in with Google account, and after that I am using my own Google account, and you can see here I am just clicking on the continue option here, and you can see after 1 second it will connect here. Just again continue. After connecting, you can see here this is a whole module setting. So you can set as you want. I am here selecting like filter type. Just I am using the two options, Gmail filter, simple filter. I am just choosing a simple filter here because most of the cases I just use this. And after that, here this is the option like folder. Folder means just you can click here, and this means all email, chat, draft, important email, send, spam, whatever your folder you want to choose, you can select from this as well. I am here like any inbox email I want to catch make.coms and create a lead with the help of AI. We are choosing here a inbox. Just click on it, and here if you have a label, you can select a label as well. After that, here you can see the in criteria there is a three option: all message, only read message, or only unread message. So I am giving you a tip here: always use the unread message here, and just click on the yes button as well. So it means you can see here mark email message as read when fetched. So whenever make.com catch the email, it mark the email as like read. So we are using here only unread message and like limit one as well. So just save it, and here is the option. You can see here choose manually, change specific date, all from now on. This means if I click there, if for now, in future any email came, my automation will capture. So we are choosing here a manually option. Just click on it, and you can see here there's a lot of app like I have unread as well. Just I'm selected here only this one, and see here run once. Now you can see my whole data. Here I am showing you the output. All the detail are coming into make.com. Here you can see the plus option. Just click on it, and you can see under this one OpenAI ChatGPT. Just click on it. Here make.com provide a very good solution. You can see here simple text prompt. This is the new update in make.com. So this means you can connect and work the ChatGPT in make.com without the API of ChatGPT. So earlier we just, if you see here, when I click on it, it will asking me to create a connection here. Like if I have an API key, I can connect it. So if I have not API key in previous day, I cannot connect it. I am using this one. Now you can see here, it will not asking me to any API key to connect with make.com. So it means whenever I use this, it will only consume my make.com credits, not a API credit. So here you can select a model as well. So just you can see here there is a lot of AI model here. So we are choosing a small one, And here you can give a specific text prompt so our email actually become a qualified lead. I already make it. You can see here, I'm just copying it. I just copy it, and here you can see I just paste it. And here just I am map the email body. You can see here HTML body or whatsoever. If you use text body, it will work same as well. So I am mapping just here like subject line as well. So I am saving it, and it will return only the JSON structure. You can see here I'm running the existing email. Just click on it, and now you can see here the problem here is you can see it is running and it is giving me data in the JSON format. Now I want to convert it into a normal here. Just you can see here make.com have a built-in module. Just click on the plus options, and after that just search here module, and here just map the result. I'm giving you a live test here. Just again rerun once here, and now you can see it is running, and you can see here after that here this is the output of our first JSON module. Here it will normalize the every flow. After that I have a two group in my monday.com. Here is the hot lead and here is the normal lead. So I want to create like if my email is in hot lead, it will create only in this board, this group just. So after that, if my lead is like normal lead, it will create only in this group as well. So here make.com, in make.com, we use a router here. I already make a video on the router, how to use in the US automation. So here just click on the flow control option. Now you can see under this one, this is the router. Here you can see it will showing a two part. Now it will solve our problem. I'm just dragging it and name here like a filter name. You can see hot, and here you can see a lead status and equal to I am just giving it. So after making the first filter, we are using the second filter for new lead. I'm just giving a name here like a normal lead, and here I again map the lead status equal to I'm just copying, pasting here like you can see here. Now I'm giving you a structure here. So whenever our email is actually like ChatGPT may analyze it. If our email is like hot lead, it will create in this group only. If our lead is actually in the normal lead, it will create into this group. Here we are selecting the monday.com search here and also search on upper like Monday. Now you can see here monday.com. After searching, you can see here there is a lot of function in the monday.com. We are using only here the create an item. So just scroll down and click on the create an item. So you can see my account is already connected with make.com. If you don't know how to connect the monday.com with make.com, I already make a detailed video on it. So after that, you can see here item name. Item name basically is that you can see here the first one in monday.com is actually called item name in the make.com. So I am mapping here like a name here. You can see here. And board here, which board do you want? So I have only one board. You can see here the lead board. I want to create a lead into a lead board here. After selecting the board, you can see here there is the option as well, like select a group as well. So this is our path for hot lead. So we are selecting the hot lead group as. So after that, it will asking which column do you want to create. I am selecting here all of the. And after that, you can see here, it is all open. After that, you can see here, all the column open. We are mapping it and it will create a lead whatsoever we are mapped here. I am selecting here like there's a two option, date only or date and time as well. So I am selecting date only here. I don't want to create a time as well. So I am just mapping here like this is the built-in make.com function. If you click on it, after searching, you can see here, this is the option like now. So whenever we select a now, the problem is monday.com not accept the lead date format. It only accept this date format. You can see here, this one. So we will convert this date into this one. Here is the make.com formula. Just scroll down and you can see here the format date option. Just click on it. And here you just again map this one, and here you what you want. After selecting the now option, so what in which format do you want to create a lead in Monday? I am choosing this one because Monday.com accept only this format to create a date in its date column. So I am just pasting it. You can see here it is done, and email section I am mapping here like from this email, and lead status here you can see there is a three option here. I'm giving you example here. There are three option: new, hot lead, or normal lead. So I'm not selecting any of these. If I select like normal leads, every scenario will run and it will create only normal leads. So even my email, like I have a hot lead, it will only create a normal lead. So instead we are using a map function here. Just you can see here. Just click on it and again map the lead status only. Just so it means if our lead status is like hot lead, it will create a monday.com in change the status to a hot lead. If our like normal lead, it will create in monday.com normal lead. So here just I map this. After that you can see here this is the option like note section. Here make the ChatGPT make a small notes of the email, like what is the purpose of this email. I'm just mapping it, and I don't want a person here read it, and phone here you can map this one as well because our last email output is like just Google, so it will not create any leadmake.com reject it, just create. You can see here the ignore option, and priority here I'm selecting like very high here, and I'm just saving it. See, all the thing is done. I'm just saving. Now you can see our first module like for hot lead is created, and all other things are same that we are selecting in the first module here. I'm saving it, and you can see here there are two paths, like one is for hot lead and one is for normal lead. After making the two paths like hot and normal lead, I also want to create other part for ignore option. Here I'm just naming it ignore. Here I'm just copy it and again copy it and paste there. So it means if my lead is like hot, it will go to there. If it is like normal, it will create in the normal group. If my lead is not like go to any path, like if not go to this path and this path, it will go to this path because it our email lead is not necessary for it. So it will automatically ignore at this path. So always use a ignore path as well. After creating everything, we are testing it live here. I am sending an email on this email. Subject line I am choosing like hi testing, and the body I already make it. You here go there and copy and just paste into this one body section. Just sending here you can here I just send on. So just for testing I send into this email, and after that now we are again into make.com scenario for testing it. Now you can see here, just click on right button and you can see here the option I choose where to start. I am again choosing manually because we have already selected send an email now. Now you can see here my email is coming into my this email. I'm selecting it and just run once here. Now you can see here it is running, and it ChatGPT create a lead here. If my lead is healthy, it will create a. Now you can see here our automation will run, and if my lead is like a hot, it will create this one. If my lead is like a normal lead, you can see here, and it will create only into normal lead group here. So you can see here my whole automation run, and ChatGPT analyze it. My lead status actually is a normal lead, so it create a lead into my here. You can see here normal lead group. All the detail are coming like we put into it, and like everything coming the notes section as well. So it means if my lead is like hot, it will create into this part. If my lead is like an ignore part, it will go to this part. Now you can see here all the automation run successfully. ChatGPT analyze deeply, so it will create a lead into normal lead because ChatGPT think like that. My lead is normal, so it create only into a normal group here. So this email automation, every small business and even a big business are needed. So please, if you have any confusion about this video, please like and subscribe my channel.